noise. Who thinks it's gonna be Gravedigger? Who thinks Barbarian's gonna take this one? Make some noise. How about Monster Munchdown Nation? It's time for the America's Best Contacts and Eyeglasses Monster Jam Racing Final. We started out with 8 of the top Monster Jam trucks in the world, and now we're down to the fastest 2 on the road to Monster Jam World Finals 20. The winner of this race will earn 8 points and take the lead in pursuit of today's overall event championship. Are you ready to meet your racing finals contenders?
It's designed, it's color, it's good.
It's Randy Brown in Gravedigger. He's the owner, driver, and technician of this awesome Monster Jam truck. It's Devin Jones in Barbarian.
way to an overall event championship and is one step closer then to getting that berth to World Finals 20. Make some noise for Randy Brown, a Grave Digger! Randy, that was an awesome battle out there on the Monster Jam track. Tell us a little bit about how you were able to get that win and get those first 8 points.
All right, just use all that brand new Holley EFI horsepower, man. They've got that electronic fuel injection now, man. That thing's running so good. Coming around those turns, I got plenty of power to dirt tracking around there. I don't know, it just felt like I was in a groove the whole night, so we'll see if we can't keep that momentum flowing and get into two-wheel skills next.
As we move the momentum for tonight's event, we're going into ATV racing next. What would you like to see your teammate do to maintain your dominance tonight?
Oh, he's just got to get all the points he can, man. Stay out front, block those guys, put them in the wall, whatever you got to do. We need all the points we can. Get down to Orlando to the World Finals.
He is your Monster Jam Racing winner. Make some noise for Grave Diggers, Randy Brown.
beat currently is Kayla Miguez in Monster Mutt Dalmatian with a 6.416.
That was brand new.
And the score for Darren Miguez in Dragon is 7.896.
JudgesZone.com and put in your score for Randy Brown in Gravedigger to try and get that win in the two-wheel skills challenge. Remember, tricks like the Mohawk is exactly what we're looking for here in the two-wheel skills challenge. And the score is locked in.
Currently, the score to beat is Lindsay Reed in Scooby-Doo with an 8.193. And the score for Randy Brown in Gravedigger is 8.149. Not quite enough. Scooby-Doo still in the lead. Next up is Zebra 2 in Stinger Unleashed. JudgesZone.com. Get those scores in before that 20 seconds is up. Remember that code, HAM, Hampton, HAM. About 10 seconds left. Let Stinger know what you thought about that run. Remember, you're looking for that vertical position, total time on two wheels, very important, and overall degree of difficulty. Just a couple seconds left to get those scores locked in at JudgesZone.com. And the score is now locked in. The score to beat currently is Lindsay Reed of Scooby-Doo at an 8.193. And the score for Zebra 2 and Stinger Unleashed is 6.239. 6.239. Up next, it's 2.
I saw that
It's pretty
little thing
wicked.
in there.
Spring.
Fan scoring is open right now. 20 seconds on the clock to get those scores in. That hometown favorite will be down in Grave Digger. Let me know what you thought about that performance.
A lot better.
Control,
Grave Digger.
presentation, and of course that overall wow factor in the Metro by T-Mobile Donuts competition. Again, this is for Grave Digger score right now. The score is locked in.
Keep in mind, Pretty Wicked right now has the score to beat with a 5.145. And the score for Grave Digger is
Could be the one so far.
a 9.072. That's right, Grave Digger is your new leader. Up next, it's Scooby-Doo Lindsay Reed.
I can make
Fan
Grave
scoring
Diggers
is
last
open
longer.
right now at judgeszone.com. You don't have those smartphones out, make sure you get them out now. All you need to do is slide your BKT time up or down. Either way, this is your chance to have your
Rabbit hit
voice
of that.
heard. Help
Rabbit
you
hit of that.
way to claim these
This is time to
crucial
set.
points in this particular competition. Again, the code
yeah.
is HAM. And the score
Oh, yeah, that's
is
right,
locked in.
Sorry, I was having a moment.
That's right, Monster Jam fans. Keep in mind, Grave Digger has that
I'm having a
score to
moment,
beat
sorry.
with a 9.072.
Might as well dump the rest of it
Has Scooby-Doo
out.
done enough to take the top
No,
spot?
she's not going to dump the rest of
The
it.
score
Like $10.
for Scooby-Doo
You
is
might as well drink the rest of it.
a 7.986. Bring up the And Team Gravedigger! Randy, truly, coming back home is truly a lucky charm. Tell all your Hampton fans out here how much this win means to you.
It just means so much, you know, to be able to pull off a great freestyle like that, man. I was just going all out. I didn't care what happened to the truck. Anthony, my crew chief right here, Josh, Hallie back in the back, man. They keep that truck 100% for me, and they expect me to come out here and put on a freestyle just like that. They don't care what happens to it, because each and every one of these guys and girls right there paid their hard-earned money. See all these